What's the meaning of briquette? Briquette. Briquette.
Briquette. Briquette. A briquette is a compressed block of coal dust, charcoal dust, sawdust, wood chips, or biomass used as fuel for cooking and heating purposes. The process of compressing these materials into a briquette form allows for more efficient burning and easier transport and storage. The resulting briquette is dense and can burn hotter and longer than loose fuels. Briquettes are commonly used in developing countries where traditional fuels such as wood and charcoal are scarce or expensive. They are also used in industrial settings as a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels.